Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In this Linux series, our next video is about touch. Here touch is used to create an empty file without any content. By using touch, you can also modify timestamp of the files. Here I am listing all the files in my current directory. Here you can see that here I have a file named doc and it's created on August 29th. Let's create a new file using touch. Name doc1. See that here we have a new file doc1, and you can also create multiple files at the same time using touch, like touch doc2, doc3. Here it is. Here touch has some flags to change the timestamp of the files, like its modification time, its access time. By using a flag, we can able to change the access time of a file to our current time. First, let's see what is the status of doc file. Here its access time is 29th August and its modification time is also 29th August. Here I am going to use a flag to change the access time. Let's see the status again. Here you can see that the access time of the doc file is changed to today's date and current time. And we can also able to the modification time and date. For that we need to use m flag. Let's see the status again. Here the modification time is also changed from 29th August to 31st August. Instead of using access and modifying as separate, we can do both at the same time using D flag. For that, touch D. Here we need to type the date and the month 30th August to the file doc1. Here doc1 is just we have created now. I am changing that to yesterday's date. Let's check the status of doc1. Here you can see that the access and modification time is changed. And the next flag is T. By using T, we can able to create a new file with the same timestamp we want. For that, T, and here you need to type with which timestamp your file need to be. First, the year and the month and the date. Here I am giving the date to 25th August and the hour is 7 and the minutes 55. And the name of the file that you need to create, doc3. Let's check that. Here you can see that the timestamp of doc3 is changed to 25th August. So that's it guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.